Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Ma'am Aulia Rahmah MPD. Thank you for taking in the time today to attend this presentation and evaluate my project. And my name is Maula Muhammad Hildan with student identification number is 2025004080. Today, I am honored to present a conceptual framework and product design positioned within the future of health technology entitled NutriScan, personalized food safety in the palm of your hand. Through this presentation, I am to demonstrate how complex molecular analysis typically confined to laboratory environments can be engineered into a practical consumer-facing handheld device to safeguard human life in daily routine. Before diving into the technical architecture of device, I would like to outline the background, the underscore the urgency of this project. In the modern era, the culinary industry has experienced rapid globalization, resulting in highly fragmented and interacted food supply chain. However, as food processing has become more complex, consumer capacity to verify the exact content of what they ingest has significantly lagged behind. This informational asymmetry is precisely the core driver behind the development of the NutriScan project. Based on my situational analysis, there are three fundamental fine points currently faced by consumer at the dining table. First, severe allergy. Anaphylactic reaction triggered by hidden ingredients such as peanut, gluten, or dairy continue to pose a life-threatening risk to millions globally. A single unsent cross contamination can lead to critical medical emergencies. Second, dining uncertainty. Consumer like to second dining uncertainty. Consumer like empirical tools to verify food safety immediately when nutritional label are missing or when ordering raw freshly prepared dish in a restaurant. Third, the information gap. Current verification methodologies are rigid, slow, and cost prohibitive, relying heavily on lab-based chemical tests. Consequently, the public is forced to rely on verbal assurance or a truth-based system of communication that is fundamentally unreliable. Solution and product value procession. To directly address these systematic vulnerabilities, I have developed the concept of NutriScan. This is a revolutionary handheld device engineered to perform instant molecular analysis of both solid and liquid food content. The primary objective of NutriScan is to bridge the gap between complex scientific, diagnostic, and daily human convenience by placing this capability directly in the user's hand. We ensure that share meals are fully transparent and aligned with their specific medical constraints. Its companion mobile app allow for highly customized allergen profiles such as setting parameters for nuts-free or gluten-free diets will simultaneously monitoring macronutrition data like high protein or low carb threshold. To ensure real-world utility, the operational work of this device is designed around ergonomics and speed requiring only 3 seconds through 3 intuitive apps. First, point and click. The user simply directly the integrated laser sensor at the food item. This process is entirely non-destructive, requiring no physical sample cutting or chemical mixing. 2. Sync. The sensor captures the molecular bone data and transmit the raw telemetry via an encrypted Bluetooth connection to the companion mobile application. 3. Instant result. Within 3 seconds, the cloud-based or processing engine interprets the data, rendering a full ingredients breakdown and triggering instant alert if any customized allergen risks are detected. Next, system architecture and data management. The operational efficiency of NutriScan relies heavily on its interconnected back-end smart ecosystem, which is structured upon four technological pillars. Mobile application, serving as the primary user interface for data visualization and personal dietary profile management. Cloud Sign, ensuring that scanning history and user preference are securely backed up, effectively linking the physical device to a centralized network. Real-time database or global cloud repository is updated daily to instantly account for new food formulation, consumer brand alteration, and global health recall notice, and AI-driven accuracy machine learning model within the system continuously run and adapt to the regional variation in food chemistry, meaning the system detection precision progressively sharpen over time. Next, market analysis and potential validation, looking at the scalability and commercial sustainability of this project. Empirical market research indicates a vast addressable audience for personal diagnostic tool. The global market demand is segmented as follow 85 million individuals suffering from severe life-threatening food allergies, 210 million health-conscious consumers adhering to strict dietary frameworks such as keto or vegan regime, and 120 million parents who uh, sorry who require objective verification of what their toddler consume outside the home. From a macro perspective, the global food diagnostic market itself is projected to experience a highly stable compound annual growth rate of 7.5% from 2024 through 2030. User personas and strategic positioning. To systematically capture this market, I have classified the target demographic into two distinct primary user archetypes. Uh, Point 1. Medical user. Individual clinically diagnosed with severe allergies to peanut, shellfish, or gluten. For this segment, dining out induces a high psychological stress. They cannot afford a single cross contamination error, making NutriScan a non non-negotiable tool for basic health preservation. Lifestyle user, fitness enthusiast, diabetic, and individual on rigid nutritional macros. They utilize the device to audit invisible parameters such as a hidden sugar, unlisted carbohydrates, or artificial additives that will otherwise disrupt their metabolic targets. And next, product differentiation and modes. When evaluate agent existing alternative health application or diagnostic tool, nutrition can hold a distinct and defensible competitive edge through for core feature. Uh, 99% detection accuracy. We perform structural verification at the molecular level, which is fundamentally superior to software-only applications that rely entirely on visual photo recognition. Leave global update. The ecosystem track real-time supply chain disruption and product safety recall to keep user proactively informed and zero touch testing. The use of a laser-based sensor ensure the testing is non-destructive and sanitary, unlike standard chemical kits that require food destruction. 30-day battery life. Engineering with a highly efficient hardware architecture, making it highly reliable for frequent travelers and busy professionals. And next, business model and monetization framework. For its commercial implementation, this project adopt a hybrid revenue model that balance initial hardware execution with high margin recurring software as a service revenue. And nutrition device $199 one time. Secure the physical pocket hardware and grant lifetime access to core basic application feature. Next, premium monthly. 9.99 per month. Unlocks the daily update global database and provides access to a 24/7 AI-powered nutritional and safety costs. And family plan $14.99 per month. Scaled household tier supporting up to 5 devices with side family allergy alert synchronization. The go-to-market strategy mitigates heavy traditional advertising expenditures by forming strategic partnership with established allergy awareness foundation and launching hyper-focused digital health niche campaign. And next, capability and strategy milestone to ensure the long-term viability and growth of the project. I have mapped out a structured scaling roadmap. Q4 2024 launch, initial commercial release focusing strictly on optimizing the sensor for the big A critical food allergen. Q2 2025 vitamin execution of our first major sensor upgrades to expand analytic capabilities toward checking vitamin and mineral density. Q4 25 B2B Sync expansion into the enterprise sector through direct AV integration with restaurant point of sale system. 2026 and beyond global scaling uh, operation to support over uh, 50 language and localization or AI model with regional regulatory food database worldwide. Next, closing and academic discussion. Invitation. To conclude, the NutriScan project represents more than just a clever consumer gadget. It is a paradigm shift toward absolute food transparency and personalized human safety by engineering a 3-second molecular analysis with 99.8% accuracy alongside a robust AI ecosystem. This project offers a highly validated uh, solution to meet the critical needs for 150 million users worldwide. And that concludes my presentation of the NutriScan project. I would now highly appreciate and welcome your valuable insight, critiques, or question, Mam Ulia Rahma MPD, to help further refine and advance this project. Thank you very much for your time and guidance.